Open an individual savings account or ISA with IG and take your investments into your own hands. Along with protection from tax on capital gains, dividends and interest, an IG share dealing ISA gives you the choice of a huge range of global stocks and ETFs. With our fast and powerful platform, you can execute your investment decisions in the blink of an eye. There's no commission on US stocks and just £3 on UK stocks when you deal 3 or more times in the previous month. Don't wait for the market to open to act. We offer extended hours on over 70 US stocks including Apple, Tesla and Netflix. Stay up to date with the markets and get actionable insights from our experts. Invest up to £20,000 every year while taking control of your finances. Open an IG share dealing ISA today.